The first report, my report, segment visits in my observatory in the Institute of Theoretical Physics and Astronomy of Vilnius University. I was in Moiretai in October till the first days of November, and I held 4 tasks for this visit: the review of new observation processing software for asteroids, processing of data of dichtest microscope, Schmidt-microscope astral plates, preparing the paper for Odessa astronomical publications. The third task upgrade, the Waldone Schmidt telescope Earth rotate compensation mechanism, and the last is the methodology of evaluation of interstellar absorption of to determine the real distances of travel stars in the different field of skies. From 2008 till 2014 in Baldone and also in Moiretai, we use Astrometrica program for detection of new asteroids and also measurement of the coordinates of them. But Paulo Overton from Tanagra Observatory of Arizona in USA was developed new real-time processing software for detection of faint moving space objects on CCD images. It's labeled Sky Shift. The practical checking of this program give an outstanding results in Tanagra Observatory in observations 2014. This software give 10 as new discoveries of comets on CCD images. During the visits in Moiretai, together with Dr. Kazimir Chernis, I learned the program in action on the old Baldone CCD images. It gave 5 new discoveries of asteroids. It means that the new software is very profit, but problem is the price of this software. The Sky Shift software price is the 2,200 USA dollars. The Astrometrica is free download software. Here you see the shares. The focus is very bad. Possible to focus it better. It is good? No, okay.
Ja, много е с фокус.
The second processing, the second task visit is the processing of Schmidt digital data of astral plates. In our archive we have 22,000 direct plates, from which we now digitized 5,000 plates. Two extensive processing methods of digitized plates data reduction were developed. The first is with the help of Lithuanian colleague Justus Zanavičius and Vigandas Laugalis. It is a software on Linux IRAF base. IRAF, it is a image reduction and analysis specialty. And the other software is was developed by Vitaly Andruk, which is a scientist or main astronomical observatory at Ukraine. This software was developed on Linux Midas Romafort program base, and the first complex of program view better photometric values, but the other give better astrometric accuracy. The photometric accuracy is 0.05 magnitudes, and the astrometric accuracy is 0.07 seconds about. Processing of Schmidt digitized astroplates with Ukraine programs take into account the uneven moving of steeper motors, which we have seen there, and after reduction is there. And in this picture you can see the final reduction results. On one Schmidt astroplate we determinate 34,381 star with the accuracy 0.06. We check together with the Vitaly Andruk from Ukraine three scans with DPI 800, DPI 1200 and DPI 2400. The last is a character DPI which we use in Baldone Observatory when we digitized the Baldone archive. But the results of studies give that the 1200 dpi is gives a completely satisfactory results, 0.07 per seconds in astrometry. Therefore, we have it is shown that this DPI is very good and profit, because we reduces the size of one file of digitized plate from 900 megabytes to 350 megabytes, and the processing time also reduces from 8 hours to 2 hours. This very profit, and about this we prepared the article. This article in the Odessa Astronomical Publications. The third task is the Baldwin-Schmidt telescope. Connect with Baldwin-Schmidt telescope. It is the 12th largest telescope, Schmidt telescope in the world. There you have see all largest telescope in the world. And we have two problems now with the telescope. It is the first is that the quartz clock was broken, and the second is a very little field of CCD which we can use in Schmidt telescope because the focal plane of telescope is curved. We solved the first problem together with Rimas from the Lithuania Observatory Moletai, and we try to change the quartz clock with the stepper engine, and at first we use the Windows software to control this engine, but it is bad because with a characteristic time 3 to 4 minutes, the accuracy sequence of time signals from Windows is broken on some seconds, and give the bad results because the exposition on telescope can be only 3 minutes, not longer. We can try to replace the Windows system with the Linux. Linux not gave them the gap in the regular signals of time signals, and therefore is more profit. And the last task was methodology of evolution of the interstellar extinction. It is very important because in this explanation, which give possibilities to detect the distances to the carbon star, which is the main object of our studies in the Baldwin, and this interstellar extinction is very important because, and we I consulted with during the visit with the Professor Vitautas Sēdis. You can see also the other colleagues from Lithuania Observatory, and we pointed 3 possible evaluation methods for detecting of or evaluation of A, V, and at first, and then a needed A, K also. The first method is a three-dimensional interstellar dust distribution model in galaxy constructed by Arenal. And in this model we obtain the AV with this explanation, which is is a function from galactic latitude and longitude, and also from the distance. The second model, we can use the new infrared emission measurements obtained by Chagall. Authors give a color excess to this distribution in galaxy, and these maps we can use to obtain the interstellar extinction by to the AV, and also a key with this explanation. And the strategists add that the third method is using from color excess, obtaining from the colors and normal colors of Williams photometry system. And there we have the results, learning possibilities of SkyShip software. The paper for this astronomical publication was prepared and also distributed. In the last days of the previous year, after second month, the quartz clock was replaced with a steeper engine. At first with real parallel port in Windows with the program Match 3. Further step was planned to replace Windows with the Linux system and software, and the